Say hello to everyone.
Oh, Santa's gonna come and make it mine this Christmas. Santa's gonna come and make it mine. Santa's gonna come and make it mine this Christmas. Santa's gonna come and make it mine.
Hey everybody, in today's video I am going to be, hang on. My name is Maree, and in today's video I am going to be doing a glow up slash Christmas transformation. I am going to be doing a green eyeshadow look, which I have never really done ever. So this is going to be either really good or a real big fail. So without further ado, if you want to see if I fail or end up creating a really cool look, then keep watching. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows, and let me tell you, it took a hot minute. It took me about 20 minutes. And I was getting so frustrated with it, but anyway, that's out of the road. I used my Maybelline New York Brow Setting Brow Pencil. So I'm going to take my I Love Colour Intensifying Eyeshadow Primer from Essence, because we're doing eyes first. Okay, now that that's all blended in, we have a range of eyeshadows, and you all know I do absolutely love my ColourPop. Unless you're new here, then you wouldn't know that. But today I'm so excited because I get to use my Super Shock Shadow in the shade IRL, which is green. So yay! I know I said I hate this palette, but it is kind of growing on me, but not really, but kinda. There's green shadows in here, and I've said, there we go, in videos that this eyeshadow palette is good for transition colours because it is so pale and sheer. And then we have my Morphe 35B, so we know that I'm going to use these colours, right? Like all these greens. We're taking freshly cut grass over here. I just give them names. The brush is still wet. Oopsies. It's actually picking up quite well this colour, not gonna lie. Yeah, but I tapped it all off. Oops. I mean, that's impressive for this palette. So I'm gonna lightly blend it up. Also guys, I plucked my eyebrows. Be proud. I think what I'm gonna do is this like the same colour. Actually, that looks lighter. Right, scrap that. Let's take this green shade here. That colour didn't really do anything either. I think we're just going to have to go straight in for the dark colours. I'm talking about these ones here. What about that one at the top? Will that do anything? That should do something. Okay, we're taking that kind of emeraldy forest green tree leaf frog colour. So far I kind of look like Kermit the Frog. Now there's like pretty much only two other shades we can use, and that's this green, like this really dark, like nearly dead leaf green. Maybe I can add some black to make it look real smoky too. Now I'm just going to yellow it and put some black on the outer corner, because why not? Now it's time for concealer. So I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio concealer. Spray the brush and take a ColourPop eyeshadow. Let's take one from the Disney designer. I'm thinking Ray. That's a nice champagne-y colour. Poplar. Okay. I always forget that ColourPop eyeshadows are so pigmented. Now I have to go back in with green. More green. Cool beans. Now I'm going to take the Super Shock Shadow in a shade IRL, which kind of has like the red iridescent finish. Look at it, it's cute. And then I think what I might do is I might actually, the champagne colours got a little bit lost, so where is my palette? I'm going to take the shade Ray again from the Disney Designer ColourPop palette and just kind of redefine. And I stuffed up a little bad. A little bit of the darker colours. It's just a lot of messing around, to be honest. I'm going to take the shade Prince Charming from the Disney Designer palette just on like my finger and pop it there and diffuse it. So I'm going to go do the other eye, fix up this eye, and I will be back. Guys, I'm done. They're not the exact same shape. I apologise if that annoys you, but like, I'm not going to get in the exact same shape. You must be crazy. Don't come for me. So I've already applied primer to save some time. This is the Touch of Silk Canvas Primer. Love this thing, 2 pieces. So now we're going to move on to foundation. And the foundation I have here is very full coverage. We're going full glow up. This is a Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX. So I believe this shade is Porcelain. My skin colour is not that. It's like, oh, does anyone else struggle to find foundations? Okay, now for concealer, I'm taking the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer. A lot of people actually are talking about this at the moment. I'm going to put some there, I'm going to put some here. That's what you do to one side, you do the other. So I've just applied some of the L'Oreal Paris Nude Magique BB powder under my eyes, on my forehead, fine lines, and on my chin. And now I'm going to go in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in the shade Nude Beige with a flat top brush. For bronzer, I haven't used this one on my channel yet. This is the Bourjois Paris Maxi Delight bronzer. This is the one that's actually kind of red, but I feel like because we've got green going on, we need some warming up, and it doesn't really matter. Oh, it smells amazing. I tap a lot of this bronzer off because it's that pigmented that otherwise it turns me into a kind of not yet ripe tomato. You know when cherry tomatoes are like kind of orangey? Okay, now we're moving on to blush. Again, I have a warm blush. I don't usually wear warm blushes because I feel like it makes me look like I have rosacea and just don't look the bestest. But this is a NYX blush in the shade Summer. I don't know, oh, it's the high definition blush. It has a cute little bow here. I always go here on my cheeks and then blend up kind of like bronzer. But we're going to contour first. This is my trusty Australis AC on Tour contour kit. I use it in every single makeup tutorial and any makeup related video. I also take it a little up along the hairline. And now I'm just going to bake using the same L'Oreal powder. And I go basically above my earlobe. For highlighter, I've really been loving my Too Faced, that's the bronzer, my Too Faced Candlelight Glow highlighter in the shade Rosy Glow. It's got the one with the pink side. I kind of like spread it and then pack it right under here where like my under eye bags are, and then I take it up above the top of my eyebrow and my temple. So spread it, pat it, and oh, you just mucked up our eyeshadow there. And now I'm just going to add a bit of highlighter down the bridge of my nose. Always do that. Oh yeah, and my cupid bow and a little bit on my chin. All done with the highlighter. And now I believe the only thing we have left is lips and mascara. So for lips, I don't really think I had one picked out. I don't know. I suck at like picking out lip colors and that kind of thing. So I just like to avoid it all. But I'm going to take a nude shade. This is in the shade Creamy Nude. It's from Clinique. It really is creamy. Before I do my mascara though, I'm going to spray my face with the Models Prefer Final, that says Finale makeup setting spray. This is the Essence Super Curl Volume Mascara. Looks like this, has a cool slanted lid. Okay, I don't want too much of a darker green on the bottom lash line just because I want to keep my eyes a little bit more open. I'm just going to add what I call freshly cut grass. Using the Morphe palette, I'm going to take this foresty green mixed with this dead leafy green colour. Make it pop! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Although that kind of looks cute, like that little dot there, we might leave it. Okay guys, so that comes to the end of this video. I actually kind of like that dot there. It just adds a little bit of sass, whereas if it wasn't there, it'd just look normal, but like. So that comes to the end of my Extreme Glow Up Christmas transformation. So it looks like that. So guys, that comes to the end of this video. I hope you all did enjoy what look I ended up creating. It's very different, but I'm definitely going to wear green eyeshadow from now on. Anyway guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time in my next Christmas